सो आज मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे चेस का टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है एसपीएफ वालों का, और आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 160 प्लस लोग खेल रहे हैं। और यहाँ पे हम लोगों के साथ हैं ऑर्गेनाइज़र, ये प्रवीण सर हैं, ये सुमित सर हैं, वी सर हैं। तो मैं सर लोगों से सबसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि मतलब ये आइडिया जो है कैसा क्या है आप लोगों का, और क्या सोच है एसपीएफ की, बताएं।
बेसिकली सुरेंद्र पटारे फाउंडेशन के जो मेन ये है स्पॉक है सुरेंद्र पटारे, सो हिज इंटेंशन इज टू इनकलकेट स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर इन ईस्ट ऑफ पुणे. व्हेन यू सी पुणे, इट इज primarily divided east and west.
Yeah.
So till now the sports culture was inculcated in west of Pune.
Okay.
Where we see bigger stadiums, bigger grounds and all the facilities provided for the west of Pune.
Correct.
But now east of Pune has become BKC, now Kharadi has become BKC of Pune.
Correct.
So every facility is growing, but sports was not given that importance.
Right.
So when Surendra Patare started his journey for the social cause, so that time sports was, he's personally a sports cop. So you name the game and he's there.
Correct.
So he always had that eagerness to bring in sports culture for east of Pune. So then he started with one-odd games like cricket we did, but now after near about 2 years we have near about 6 games where he himself is providing free coaching for the underprivileged kids.
Okay, that is very great initiative.
Yeah. Skating is there, badminton is there, basketball is there, archery is there, football is there, and many other games. And for this Sports Mania event, we have near about 10 games that are there.
Okay.
Where residents from Kharadi, Vadgaon, Logaon, Dhanori, Viman Nagar, and mostly covered East Pune. So all these residents are competing with each other and then this is a platform which Surendra has provided to get the talent from east of Pune.
Right.
So this is the initial platform where we pick up the cherry pick talent and then further we would nurture them for the state level or
national level
or national level or Khelo India kind of.
Right.
So this idea is basically to inculcate sports culture, because if you have seen after COVID or within COVID, those who were the fittest have survived.
Right.
So the intention is to make people come out of their comfort zone, play some of the other games, compete there and get a platform. So this is the basic idea, and currently for this year we have done it for east of Pune. But from next year onwards, we are doing it for across Pune.
Pune, right.
Majorly. And there are near about 7,000 plus participants in all these 10 games, where prizes are also huge that Surendra has managed. Total 25 lakhs fund is given for prize distribution. Other aspects like booking and other things are over and above the 25 lakh amount.
Right.
So basically it is for sports people by a sports person which is Surendra. He is a young leader who is inculcating this in east of Pune, and soon we will see him spreading this across Pune.
Yeah. Very much thankful to the SPF thing. And Sumit sir, what do you want to say? Anything कुछ आप कहना चाहते हैं सबके लिए?
This is the biggest platform we have got in the East Pune because of the Surendra Dada. We never had the chess competition or the skating competition or this kind of tournament in the Pune, like you mentioned.
Yeah.
People used to travel to PCMC area or the Balewadi side for playing the tournament, but the platform we have received, and because of this, all the common residents are able to participate, and they are getting motivated to play at the next level.
Yeah.
All thanks to Surendra Dada. And we have around 7,000 plus participants playing.
That is very great.
Tournament.
That is very great.
Huge.
Yeah.
And this is just a beginning. And we are sure, in the years coming, it will be the brand name for the Pune. We know Pune Sanskritik Festival, so we'll have this Sports Mania.
Yeah. This is the first version, first time, right?
First year. This is the first year.
Yeah.
And we got such a huge response.
Yeah.
So we are sure, in the coming years, this will be the identity of the Pune. Pune will be known by the Sports Mania.
Exactly. And I am very much thankful to you guys, what you guys are doing. Yeah. You can see here the matches are still going on, and people are so बहुत ही बढ़िया हो रहा है, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दिल से आप लोगों का, जो आप लोग ये कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा चीज़ कर रहे हो। एक तरीके से क्रांतिकारी सोच ही है जो आप लोग लेके आ रहे हो, और खेलो इंडिया से आने वाले टाइम में और अच्छा होगा। मतलब ओलंपिक्स में अगर लोग जाएंगे तो हम लोग जैसे एक नीरज चोपड़ा को ढूंढते हैं, अब हम लोगों के पास कई नीरज चोपड़ा होंगे। तो बस एक और कुछ आप बोलना चाहते हैं?
Basically, we also thank you for
Yeah.
all the residents, all the participants who have come forward on behalf of Surendra and Surendra Patare Foundation. We would really like to see your love, affection
Exactly,
for upcoming
exactly.
events also.
या थैंक यू, थैंक्स अलॉट आप लोगों का, सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और बस ऐसे ही हम लोग अच्छा काम करते रहेंगे। तो आप लोग खेलो इंडिया, जय हिंद और टेक केयर। दिस इज़ योर वॉन्डर पीयूष, थैंक यू।